Thank you, everyone. My name is Jessica. Good afternoon to everyone here. Please sit here. We still have a space here. Please, you know, give us some opportunity to share our products, informations to you guys. It could be, very, knowledgeable, informations, and probably you can get some things, back to your office and report to your boss. Okay, about Biztrack and this Tiramisu. So we are the very close partnerships. So let Julian explain to you guys. Thank you. Okay, about Biztrack, the company was founded since 1995. It's already more than 20 years, and we started with software solutions and R&D. Started with accounting system, ERP, and follow up with this ERP. Then we are thinking of a lot of businesses still lacking of warehouse management system, which is more into the operations driven system. So we are talking about so many robotics, system machinery. So the foundations of this system you must have is like when you try to implement something like very robust, you must have a warehouse management system, which can integrate with your equipments, right? And then up to the delivery, the last mile delivery, which is TMS system. So that's why we are trying to share with you some of the informations here. And in terms of customers, we more into those like company with the warehouse, warehouse, like, maybe you are the manufacturers, you are the wholesaler with a big warehouse, or even you are the 3PL. 3PLs, you have your warehouse and you are storing customer goods. You are providing the logistic distributions, okay? And our software models, we can go with the perpetual license, meaning that you can buy outright or you can subscribe based on the subscription basis. It could be, you are started with this WMS, you may want to just like go for the SaaS model. Yeah. Okay.
Jessica, thank you very much. So much for the for now to WMS and Biztrack. We are from Tiramizoo. What we are doing, we are providing a TMS, transport management system. What does that mean? With our technology, once the customer has finished his pick and pack process and everything is on the road, with our technology, he can optimize, he can steer, he can orchestrate his last mile. So everything that happens with his vehicles, with his fleet, is then digitized, optimized by Tiramizoo. The partnership with Biztrack leads to a seamless process. So we have an integration into a Biztrack, and all the order data comes to our system without any manual intervention. We are headquartered in Munich, Germany, but we have one subsidiary in Singapore, and only in September we founded our subsidiary here in Malaysia. We are about 50 people, and again, our product is software as a service only. That means everything is in the cloud. You do not have to install anything, no license. You pay as you use our system. So now a bit of a conceptual, I would say even theoretical introduction. What is that, a WMS and a TMS? Abbreviations, but what is really behind that? I do not want to spend too much time on that, but so that we are all on the same page, I think you know the supply chain, you have somewhere the production, you have the support, the transport, you have to distribute, and then finally you have to deliver. You have to deliver to the final customer. Can be a private person or can be a business. And this is what all about Tiramizoo and Biztrack. If you look at the supply chain, you have several major steps. You have admin, ERPs, you have finance, but then you have the warehouse with all the pick and pack processes. Then you have something that happens on the road, and then you have the fleet, the hardware also. And what we would like to highlight is that all these different vendors, an ERP vendor, a WMS, a TMS, or here on the right-hand side, a telematics company, we are not competitors. Each company focuses on its strength, and then the point is that both, or not only both, that all companies talk to each other via seamless API integration. So it's very important to understand that both of us have the philosophy of open APIs. So we are not in a silo. It's not that the customer has to do anything manual. We are partners, and the customer have then his supply chain completely digitized, and for each step, the customer can choose the best partner. Let it be for WMS Biztrack, for TMS Tiramizoo, and he might have for telematics a third or maybe then even a fourth vendor. So now we are coming to the integration itself. How does the integration look like?
Okay, comes to this warehouse system, let me just explain, from the inbound. So usually you will get this purchase order entered in your ERP systems, and what we can do is those ERP, the PO, the purchase order can be integrated to these our warehouse systems, and what we are getting is we call it in advance, we're getting the advance booking with the ETAs informations. And once this supplier giving you the packing list, including informations like probably they have a lot number, batch expiry dates, or even the serial numbers, informations getting from in advance. What we can do is we can take in this data in advance. We call it advance shipping notes. Once these goods are received to your warehouse, then we can start with the system generate out the barcode with the pallet IDs or the carton ID with the barcodes palletizing, and this will be during this receiving, we can use the mobile application because the systems will comes with this mobile system, which is you can use any of these mobile computers, could be any brands, as long as can integrate. Then we'll give to these forklift guys. Forklift guys will actually put away to this warehouse and just use the scanning. If you are not using that, probably you have automations like these robotic, ASRS, carousels, and so on. What we can do is we can do the integrations with the equipment. Means that the software talking to the software using the web API integrations. And these informations will come to this warehouse. When we have this stock take, we can use the mobile to do the stock takes. So because with all these palletized labor with the barcodes, we can do the stock take without any manual kind of recordings. And these informations can be uploaded via web API as well from the mobile to our systems, to the backend warehouse management system. Comes to this outbound, usually you'll get the orders directly from your ERP. It could be these orders, receiving wants to issue out. This order could be the, orders from your client. Once we get these orders, integrate directly from this ERP, we can do these stock reservations, because the system will have these kind of reservations according to the picking procedure that you have. It could be, one order, one picking, or wave picking according to the resources or manpower that you have for that day. So these informations we will do this bulk picking already, then we can continue to the packing. So this packing process is all using the SORAC scanning with the mobile capability. And when outgoing, of course, these orders data will integrate via web API to Tiramizoo, the TMS system. Yeah. So then comes to reporting. The system can have an auto kind of process with a scheduler. It can help you to just know whether the stock replenishments that you need, because like maybe you have setting up your this par level of all your items, okay? Then it can just like generate out the reports via email into PDF or into Excel to the management team, to operations team, or even to your clients, okay? So these are the reportings that we are talking about. So the whole process here is from the WMS. So our open web API really can help the process in terms of getting talk to, from one system to the other, or pushing back the data, coming back like the POD. Let's say for Tiramizoo's TMS, once the last mile delivery is already been accepted, that means the customers receive the goods. These POD informations were really just like also we are taking from the data, directly to our system. So getting these informations from both systems is so easy. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Jessica. So once this process is done, especially the pick and pack process in a warehouse, then the order data goes directly into our system. And how does the process on the street with the Tiramizoo technology look like? Here you have the major steps, the major functionalities you can do with a TMS like ours. From Biztrack, the orders again are seamless into our system. We are do then the route planning. This route planning means we are considering all the constraints you could imagine, availability of vehicles, of drivers, different skill sets of drivers, opening hours of the recipient, traffic information. With this route planning, then the drivers get the route information on their mobile via the Tiramizoo application. And at the same time, the recipient also gets informed about the ETA. So the recipient knows in advance when he can expect the vehicle. Once the driver is delivering, the recipient signs on glass, he confirms the delivery. Everything is online, so the dispatcher sees remotely exactly what's going on live. Once the deliveries are done, reporting, controlling. So at a glance, he can give feedback to his customers. Have the drivers been on time? Is something missing? What happened on the road? Have all the KPIs met? It's in the system. Last step is then for future customers, with the system he can run simulations. So with historical data, maybe from this potential customer, he can then kind of play around and see, okay, what happened? How many vehicles will I really need for this specific customer? And he can detail his order. He doesn't have to guess. He has the precise data and can come up with a precise offer. This is, in a nutshell, the major steps, what's happening within the TMS of Tiramizoo. To be a bit more technical, we have an API integration between Biztrack and Tiramizoo. Again, it's then a seamless process. The order information flows from a Biztrack into Tiramizoo, where to pick up, what to pick up, where to deliver, all these informations. Tiramizoo then executes the route. You can have controlling and reporting within Tiramizoo. And this is what Jessica already mentioned, it's bi-directional. So all the changes of the status, delivered, delivery failed, is then directly sent back to Biztrack, so that then the warehouse is informed also about returns. So once, for whatever reason, the delivery did not succeed, the warehouse is informed beforehand, okay, there is a material coming back. Now I hand over to Jessica. What are really the benefits of such an integration?
Yeah, you can think about, one-stop center like one-stop solutions, because we are, close partner for these two systems. So once you have any requirements, you can share with us also. This one really help you in terms of, optimize your this usage and efficiency in terms of your customers also will be happy to know that really you have these two solutions together, because giving you a very accurate information and no manual steps, because these are the really full integrations without any humans interventions. So it will really no error, because any errors it could be your process that you need to fine tune, because when from no system to with the system, really not only fine tunes based on the experience, is you have to fine tune or adjust your SOP in your process in order to get these both systems fully integrated. So, and your driver here means that your own driver for the TMS, and consignees will be the delivery. It could be delivery to your customers or to your own outlets. So we'll get this information, including those end users or your outlets team. They can even check from the portals to see the status, to see the driver whether it's coming or reach the point. All this I can get from the portal. Yeah, in overall, we are thinking this one is really highly efficiency, leading to the low CO2 footprints. Yeah. So if you really have any questions or any requirements that really our solution can suit to your requirements, you can visit us at this booth J07. So we love to hear from you. Okay. So we have sales teams, including the support team can support you, including you may have requirements that you would like to share with us, you can come to us. And our office are both in Selangor, not in Penang. Yeah, so you can email to us. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your interest, for your patience. If you have any further questions, please contact us now, and maybe then later on via email and internet. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody.